Ready? I modified Brad Mondo's haircut that he did.
Oh my God.
When I saw this, I was like, I gotta do it. I'm going to modify it a little bit though. You'll notice it's very thin on the bottom. That's because when you over direct the hair forward like that or straight up, it's going to layer the hair a lot. Yes, but it's also going to make a V in the back like this. And I really don't want the V. I want to keep my ends the way that they are and the length that I have. So
I love a modification of all kinds. Oh, that is layered. Oh my God. See, that is layered. That is layered back there because she did the original butterfly cut, which is layered as in the back.
Like, it just feathered and gorgeous.
Oh my God. She's glowing. And wow, her hair looks incredible. Incredible transformation.
So I'm going to show you guys how to do this cut with dry hair. But I'm using clippers because clippers are very sharp. It's a machine. It goes fast. And we're going to, look, I know you're like, let me take this off, right? Take it off. You're like, oh, Christina, your hair already looks fabulous. Why, thank you. Thank you very much. But I can actually make this even shorter if I want to. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to recut it so you guys can see what it looks like. Cut straight and cut dry. Yes, it's going to make a difference. And I think I'm going to cut my bangs because you guys might like these bangs in your eyes, but it's like I can't see. I can't see. You know, I just see all the hair in front of my eyes, so I'm constantly like this. And what's the point on having bangs if you're constantly like this? So I'm actually going to put a little ponytail here. Ponytail, ponytail. Ready? Are you ready to do it? Let's rock and roll and let's do it. These are my bangs. They're going to go into a tiny little ponytail right here. Okay, remember we're going to take our fingers and we're going to go straight up. You guys can see right there, right there. And yeah, some of my bangs are falling out because I don't want as heavy as a bang. I kind of noticed that if my bangs more stay in the center, I can have more control. When it starts coming out here and coming out there, I don't know, it just frustrates me. It gets in my eye. You know, sometimes your bangs have a mind of their own. I'm going to put the ponytail right over this one. Just like that. Okay, so remember, I want to keep, and I hope you guys can see this, I want to keep my length, right? So I'm going to go right above the ear right here, and I'm going to go straight back. Hopefully that is straight. I'm going to put all of this in a ponytail. Now, you guys, you cannot just grab it in a ponytail and then cut it because a lot of those pieces will be like tucked under. They're not going to be flat and straight. You have to comb it flat and straight. That is a must. This ponytail is going to go right on top of my head. Right smack dab on the top. So you can see the ponytails. Leaving my length. This is a Walt Precision Premium Smooth Cut USA. So they're made in the USA. Okay, you guys ready to do this? This is a clipper, right? You can see it's dirty. I cut my husband's hair all the time. Here we go. Let's rock and roll. I'm going to show you guys how easy peasy this really is. And how amazing you're going to look after. Remember, we're going to take this and we're going to point our fingers forward. I don't know where this little one came from. Whatever. It's just hair. It's just hair. If you don't like it, it will grow back. We're going to go forward, right? We're just going to cut all that off, right? You see how much hair that is? That's a lot of freaking hair. Here we go. And watch. Last time I tried this, I had such a large section, it did not want to cut through it. This time. Oh yeah, there we go. Just like that. Do you hear that? The clippers don't even want to cut through it because it's so much hair. So we're just gonna go slow.
And look at that. When you use the clippers, you get such a straight line.
This time, you'll see how much easier it will cut because the hair is dry. A lot of times when you go see a barber, they cut on dry hair, and these things work like whoop, all just goes right through. Watch this. Let's comb that again because I kind of lost some pieces. Okay, here we go. I'm going to slide forward, and we're going to cut all of that off. Ready? And it's falling to the floor. Look at that. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look at that. Ah, it's nice and straight and beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's it. Drop it. Drop it. Pop it. Polka dot it. Whatever. Here we go. Next section. We're going to do the same thing. Ready? Woo. I think I'm going to cut more off. Right there. Boom. Fingers facing forward. And we're going to cut. And it's falling. And it's coming off. And do you see how easy peasy that was? Look at that. And it is straight. You guys ready? You ready to see this? Oh, yeah. Let me take this down and then we're going to do the bangs. So, check it out. Ready? I'm going to drop this one. Boom. Isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it beautiful? Do you see how I just keep on and it's like the waterfall, the waterfall. Look at that. Look at that. You're like, ooh, it's short. No, just wait till the next section. But I got to get to, look at this. I got to get to the bangs, okay? So, hold on. Make sure I don't have any other hair in that section. Okay, here we go. Remember, the bangs, please, 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 please. Go little by little. If you take off too much, you don't want to be walking around looking jacked up. Little by little. Comb it. And here we go. We're going to do just that edge. Brad was saying about the point cutting, right? He was saying, oh, the point cut, he was laughing about it, right? Because it's actually really hard when you're looking straight up to try to point cut your own hair, right? What point cutting is, it kind of just softens your layers because you can see how this is a straight line, right? So point cutting is getting your scissors, your shears, and going straight up in it. And you see how like it's taking off, like you see the hair falling? I don't know, do you see the hair falling? So it's just going up and kind of texturizing the ends. You see all that hair falling? Look closely. It's actually falling, right? So I'm just going in there and cutting straight up, and it's going to just soften everything. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can always get scissors, shears like this, you see? These are texturizing shears, and what you'll do is just go straight up. Same thing, straight up. And this cuts just little slices and texturizes that part. Okay, comb it out. Look at the fall. Look at the hair that falls out. Look at that. But do you see how more soft that is? Yup. Let's do it. Do this later too with the thinning shears. I'll do the same thing. I can just put it back in a ponytail and do the same exact thing. So just to kind of show you guys real quick, same thing. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my gosh, you're cutting off so much hair. That looks crazy. Yeah, it does look crazy. But it just kind of thins out the ends. It softens those edges where they're like more flattering, more wispy. Obviously, I'm just kind of doing this quick. But imagine just putting it same back into that ponytail, putting it exactly where it was and just going through it like this. At an angle, bam, 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 whop, bam, thank you, ma'am. Here you go. Look at that. Do you see the edges? Look at the edges. Delicious. Okay, let's pull it all out. You ready? You ready for this? Look at, and the bangs. Can you see it? Can you see it? You cannot tell me that is not amazing. You cannot tell me that my hair doesn't look good. Look at this. Look at that. Let's just run our fingers back and see how it lays. And look at my bangs. Look at my bangs. Look at my bangs. Ooh, they're still a little bit long, but I can deal with this length. At least they're not like right here touching my eyelashes. But look at that. Gorgeous, right? And let me bring it down a little bit. Do you see how my hair is still super long? Look at this. It's still super long. I haven't flat ironed it. I haven't restyled it. I haven't put anything in there. This literally is what it looks like, right? Let me show you the back. It's straight. You guys realize most people curl their hair in videos because they kind of want to camouflage their imperfections or if they messed up. I'm not going to curl my hair. My hair is straight because I want you guys to see all the little details. Look, all the little details, right? So just keep in mind, I mean, some of you guys, this might bother you, some it might not. You can see that it goes, look, it goes short, right? But there is a disconnect from this last tiny layer to the very end, right? That's because we didn't cut the base, the hairline right there, right? Let me turn around and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, hair is combed, right? Hair is combed. Let's bring in the layers. Do you see how thick it is on the bottom? Do you see how light, how much more volume I have? I could do this. I could put some hairspray in it. I could put some texturizing. And it will be much more voluminous because it's lighter on top. But I love this haircut. I actually like my color this time. I'm a redhead now. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Brad, once again for featuring my video. I just want to say, like, this is an amazing haircut. I'm very impressed. I know everybody loves you for this cut and the work that you do. So, if you come out with the next one, another one that has long hair like this, I will definitely be one of the first ones to try it out. I love you guys. Remember, love yourself. If you do this haircut and you are scared that you're going to be too short, because remember, you got wet hair, you cut it, it's going to shrink up even shorter, then just flat iron it and do it like I did. Do it with it dry. Then you immediately see what it looks like afterwards. I love this cut. You guys let me know if you love this cut. I will see you guys in my next video. Remember, love yourself, own yourself. You watching, are an original masterpiece. So own it. God created you to be that way. There's nobody like you. You are original. I love you. God loves you. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.